Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you love mountain biking but want extra power for tough trails and long rides, an electric MTB is the way to go. In today's video, we're checking out the best electric mountain bikes built for speed, endurance, and adventure. Whether you're looking for a rugged off-road beast or a versatile trail bike, we've got you covered. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect eMTB for your next ride.
Number 5. Merida eOne-Sixty 675 Electric Mountain Bike. In the world of electric mountain bikes, the Merida eOne-Sixty 675 stands out as a game-changer. The era of the traditional eMTB is behind us, and now, riders must choose which type of eMTBer they want to be. Merida's new eOne-Sixty lineup, including the 675 model, reflects this evolution by offering bikes tailored to specific riding styles, without compromising on performance. No compromise, e-enduro performance. The Merida eOne-Sixty 675 is built on a completely new platform that draws from the extensive development of Merida's human-powered 160 range. This eMTB offers two distinct models, both sharing the same core ingredients, but designed with different priorities in mind. e-One-Sixty CF is crafted for riders who prioritize agility and handling. With its lightweight full-carbon frame and integrated 600 watt battery, this model delivers uncompromising e-enduro performance. On the other hand, e-One-Sixty Lite features a durable aluminum frame and a high-capacity 750 watt-hour battery, making it the ideal choice for those who seek long-range adventures across rugged terrains. Both models come equipped with the latest Shimano EP801 full-power drive units and can be fitted with an optional 360 watt-hour range extender for even more mileage. Advanced eMTB-specific suspension. Merida's eOne-Sixty 675 doesn't skimp on suspension. Drawing from the fast kinematics found on the 160 and 140 platforms, the suspension has been fine-tuned for the specific demands of eMTBs. Number 4. Canyon Spectral CF8 Electric Mountain Bike. Canyon Spectral CF8 Electric Mountain Bike is an impressive fusion of cutting-edge technology and high-performance design. Aimed at serious trail enthusiasts, this full-carbon electric bike stands out with its superior strength, enhanced handling, and remarkable battery life. Let's delve into what makes the Spectral CF8 a top contender in the eMTB market. Full-carbon frame for optimal performance. The Canyon Spectral CF8 features a full carbon fiber frame designed to push the limits of what's possible on the trail. By transitioning the entire Spectral lineup to carbon fiber, Canyon has optimized the frame's architecture, resulting in increased strength at critical points while significantly reducing weight. This combination of enhanced frame strength and reduced weight not only boosts overall stiffness, but also improves handling precision and suspension performance, making it a dream to ride on any terrain. Powerful battery for extended adventures. When it comes to range, the Spectral CF8 doesn't hold back. Equipped with industry-leading high-capacity batteries, it's built for those who crave longer rides and more challenging trails. The 900 watt battery on the medium, large, and X-large models offers a 42% boost in mileage, while the smaller 720 watt-hour battery on the small model provides a 15% improvement over standard Shimano battery. Whether you're conquering steep climbs or covering long distances, these batteries ensure you have the power you need, and the 4-amp charger gets you back on the trail in no time. Number 3. RadRover 6 Plus Electric Fat Tire Bike. The RadRover 6 Plus Electric Fat Tire Bike is the latest iteration of Rad Powerbike's flagship model, designed to conquer everything from city streets to rugged mountain trails. Known for its durability, versatility, and impressive power, the RadRover 6 Plus has set the standard in the electric bike industry. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just enjoying the ride, this e-bike is engineered to deliver an exceptional experience. The RadRover 6 Plus is no ordinary e-bike. Rolling Stone hails it as the next generation of personal transportation, while Electric Bike Report describes it as a Class 2 fat tire electric bike that's designed for paved and unpaved joyrides. With its robust build, powerful motor, and all-terrain capabilities, it's no wonder this bike is one of the most imitated models on the market. Geared hub motor. The 750 watt geared hub motor provides exceptional hill climbing power, making it easy to tackle steep inclines even at lower speeds. Whether you're riding on pavement or rough terrain, this motor ensures a smooth and powerful ride. Hydraulic disc brakes. Safety is a top priority with the RadRover 6 Plus. The hydraulic disc brakes deliver reliable, all-weather stopping power, giving you confidence in any riding conditions. Suspension. The bike features a front suspension fork that absorbs bumps and shocks, ensuring a comfortable ride on both. Number 2. Focus Jam2 SL 9.9 eMTB. Focus Jam2 SL 9.9 is a standout in the new Focus Jam2 SL e-mountain bike lineup, designed for riders who crave speed, agility, and top-tier performance on technical trails. This model combines a sleek, minimalist design with advanced features that make it a top contender in the world of eMTBs. Whether you're navigating tight corners or taking on the fastest lines in rugged terrain, Focus Jam2 SL 9.9 is engineered to deliver an exceptional ride. Lightweight Max Carbon Frame. At the heart of the Focus Jam2 SL 9.9 is its Max Carbon Frame, which keeps the weight down to an impressive 19.19 kilograms. The lightweight construction doesn't compromise durability, making this eMTB ideal for aggressive trail riding. Frame's matte finish and minimalist design also give the bike a stunning modern look that stands out on any trail. High-performance suspension. The Focus Jam2 SL 9.9 is equipped with top-notch suspension components to ensure stability and agility on the most challenging trails. Up front, you'll find 160mm Fox 36 Performance Elite 29 forks, known for their smooth performance, even on rough terrain. Number 1. Pivot Shuttle SL Pro eMTB. The Pivot Shuttle SL Pro eMTB is a cutting-edge electric mountain bike that delivers top-tier performance in a lightweight, sleek design. Built for serious trail riders, the Shuttle SL Pro offers an ideal blend of power, agility, and customization. With its full carbon frame and advanced drive system, this eMTB sets a new standard in the world of electric bikes. Full carbon hollow core frame. The Shuttle SL Pro boasts a full carbon hollow core frame that is not only incredibly lightweight, but also extremely durable. This sleek design provides both strength and agility, making it perfect for tackling challenging trails while maintaining excellent handling. Fazua RadRover drive system. The seamless integration of the Fazua RadRover drive system ensures smooth power delivery. With 60 Nm of torque and 450 watts of peak power, this eMTB offers a powerful boost when you need it most, without compromising on the natural feel of the ride. The drive system also includes 3 assist levels plus a boost mode, allowing you to customize your ride based on terrain and personal preference.